Head gasket number 2. Kind of the best part. That fucking thing is shaking my chest. Woo! It's finally warming up. That winter time. Hey, that's it. This head gasket has been replaced at 80 pounds. I did 80 pounds on all the head bolts. So we'll see how that goes.